you had told me 2 years ago that the company that cleans my living room floor would build a car faster than the Bugatti Chiron, I would have laughed. I'm not laughing anymore. Unveiled at CES 2026 to stun silence, the 2027 Dreame Kosmera Nebula 1 is the most daring industrial crossover in history. Robot vacuum cleaner giant Dreame Technology isn't just dabbling in the world of electric vehicles. They've made a monumental leap. Under the new Kosmera automotive sub-brand, the Nebula 1 is a 1900 horsepower, 4-motor, carbon fiber car that challenges the established supercar order. It proves that when a robotics company builds a car, they don't build a cruiser, they build a missile. This is a review of a hypercar that sweeps aside its competitors. Dreame understands electric motors. They've been building high-speed motors for home appliances for years. Turns out, the technology is remarkably scalable. The Nebula 1 uses a quad-motor setup, one per wheel, producing a combined 1,876 horsepower, 1,399 kilowatts. U60 mph occurs in a nausea-inducing 1.8 seconds. Faster than a Rimac Nevera. Faster than a Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. Acceleration is so fast it feels like it's trying to escape the atmosphere. Because each wheel is independently controlled by the same algorithm used to navigate a cluttered room. The torque vectoring is incredible. It's not just grip. The car calculates grip 1,000 times per second, correcting slippage before your brain even notices it. The design is controversial, aggressive, and undeniably expensive. The car is built on an aerospace-grade carbon fiber monocoque. The launch edition is finished in a raw, green carbon fiber that looks like a weaponized emerald. The car has L-shaped matrix headlights that feel a bit like a Ferrari. But the grille is a complex active, aerodynamic element that channels air through the hood, S-duct, to keep the front end firmly in place. There are no door handles. You touch a biometric sensor, and the asymmetric butterfly doors silently open, revealing a cabin that looks more like a cockpit than a car. Robotics on wheels. This is where the vacuum company heritage shines. The rear wing doesn't just raise or lower. It dynamically adjusts its angle and height, based on steering input and braking force, acting as an air brake or cornering stabilizer. The car uses Dreame's OmniSight sensor technology, LiDAR plus camera, not only for safety, but also for teaching. The car projects a ghost car on the augmented reality HUD, showing the perfect racing line and braking points on the track. The interior features a floating dashboard with steer-by-wire technology, meaning there's no physical column connecting the steering wheel to the wheels. This allows the steering wheel to be fully retracted while the car is charging or parked.